Hi everyone! Have you ever wondered how a tiny seed grows into a big, strong plant? Today, I'm going to show you the amazing journey of germination, the process that brings a seed to life. It all starts when the seed gets wet. It drinks up the water, and that triggers something inside it to wake up from its long sleep. First, the root begins to grow down into the soil. This will help the new plant stand up and absorb water and nutrients from the ground. Next, the shoot grows up towards the light. Once it breaks through the soil, a little leaf unfurls, and the plant can start making its own food. And that's how a new life begins.